how do you use sine rule? So for sine rule, you'll be given, remember this is the side of B, of angle B, this is side C. So for sine rule, you'll be given two angles plus a side. Maybe angle here and angle here and one side. As indicated, two angles and a side. You can use sine rule. You can use sine rule there. Or for sine rule, you can also be given. So for sine rule, just use AAS or use ASA. You can also use SA. So angle, and a side. Angle, side, angle. Here. Or side, angle. These are the formula when using a sine rule. So A over sine A is equals to B over sine B is equals to C over sine C. Either my sides are vara 1. Then here you equate, you cross multiply. B times sine C is equals to C times sine B. Or you close here is A times sine B is equals to B times sine A. Or either you close here is going to be sine B times C is equals to sine C times B times sine C. That's how you can solve using sine rule. Indeed. GNG, welcome guys. So, chanda draw chinonzi quadrant. Anditika? Chinonzi quadrant. Let me put 180 here. Let me put 0 here. Let me put 90 here. Quadrant. 4 sides. Quad. 1, 3, 4. Right? Chine my relationship na sine, tan, cos. Anditika? Right. So, gentlemen, pane two my angles atinotizane zvawo. Pane inonzi acute angle. Acute angle iri greater than 0 yarumirira acute but less than 90. Right? Tine angle yatinodzidza inonzi obtuse angle. Obtuse angle iri greater than 90 or obtuse but iri less than 180. So on this quadrant, acute angle tinoiwana maybe kutangira kana pana. Just greater than 0 but less than 90. So that's the acute angle, greater than 0 but less than 90. Then from this line we are here, this is the obtuse angle. The obtuse angle which is greater than 90 but less than 180. So you can see guys, both acute angle and the obtuse angle lie on a straight line. Lie on a straight line. So adjacent angles, they are adjacent angles. They lie on a straight line, so they add up to 180. Here's the acute, here's the obtuse. So kuti ndiwane imwe ndongoti 180 minus imwe. Kuti ndiwane the acute ndoti 180 kubvisa the obtuse yandinayo. Kuti ndiwane obtuse ndoti 180 kubvisa acute yandenda kapiwa. Saka that's the relationship inofanirwa kuzikanwa nemunhu. Right? So GNG, let's say ndosakamutona sometimes kana wakapiwa saka isina kushanda in terms of cos, tan, sine. So here this abbreviation I can say as a now takarova sit, right? A argumira all ratios sine, tan, cos. Each ratio per position pairi kana yakadai is positive. The sine of obtuse, the sine of obtuse angle is equal to the positive sine of the acute angle. Ndio mamira ashashakaita. That's why uchitoka by calculator sine obtuse angle yedu sine 110 is equal to sine 70 because they are corresponding. They lie on the adjacent line. They lie on this 180. Saka, the relationship here sine is always positive. You can see? What if tikatora cos tikaisapana? So this cos will be negative. So cos obtuse angle is equal to the negative cos of acute angle. So that's why kanatina cos 120 here, positive cos 120 is equal to the negative cos 60. For cos 60 is half. So negative cos 60 is negative half. So cos 120 is goes negative cos half. So it's negative half. Right? If we take this ratio, tan tikamisa pan, the tan anafaita negative. So tan obtuse angle is equal to the negative tan acute angle is equal to the negative tan acute angle. Saka ndo mamiri ashashakaita kaisa nditika. Saka this quadrant tunogona kurishanisa kuti ti zive zvinhu zvedu. So try to pause our video. Look at this question. It is given that sine y is equal to 5/13 and that sine and that y is an acute angle. That y is an acute angle. Find as a common fraction a cos 180 minus y, b tan y. So guys, kungotamba na sokatoa. So takapi y sisu we are given tukunzichage cos 180 minus y. So tozwa kuti wana cos they are lying on a straight line. So this positive cos of obtuse angle, cos 180 minus y, this is our obtuse angle, is equal to the negative cos of y, because y is an acute. Look guys, that y is an acute angle, so it will be negative cos y. So what are we going to do? So we write SOHCAHTOA. Tanyura SOHCAHTOA takapo wa sine andika for sine 1. So sine, it says opposite over hypotenuse. So the hypotenuse is this one, it's 13 for our y, 13 here, and our opposite, this one, 5 is the opposite. So sine up this side. Saka tishanza, so we can find this adjacent side. Kuchisho kwanza kuchaga chi cos. Boss bana kutukushana na cos pameti yedu. Saka ratio hii ichatibatsira kuchaga this. Topa tadzokera back kuma Pythagorean triple according to Sewiller. 5/13 obvious. Here is 12. Tatsisana. Saka here is what? Is 12. Kutuchaga 12. Just tukira student video rako uone utachaga say inspire. Saka here is 12. It's like it's chatting c squared is equal to a squared plus b squared. So 169 squared is equal to 5 squared plus this a squared. Alright, so 169 minus 25, we'll get 144. What is the square root of 144? That's 12. Now we have 12, which is our adjacent. So we move to the cos. So cos is equal to adjacent over hypotenuse. So here we need the negative cos of y. So what is our adjacent? It's 12. And what is our hypotenuse? That's 13. But remember, it's negative. So to find cos 180 minus y, it is equivalent to minus 12 over 13. That's the answer. Right? What about tan y? Tan y, this is the ratio for tan. Tan is equals to opposite over adjacent. Now, what is the opposite? The opposite is 5. 5 over, right? Then we are asked to calculate tan y. Tan y. So, tan y is as simple as this. What is for tan? We will say tan is equals to opposite over adjacent. And what is our opposite? That's 5. And what is our adjacent? That's 12. So this is the value of tan y.